Today we're going to get N-Store TV Pro up and running in your shop. This tool lets you stream product videos right in your showroom or waiting area. You can also add your logo and custom splash screens to promote your business. The best part? Setup only takes about 5 minutes. So let's walk through it step by step. Step 1. Make sure you have a Roku stick or Roku TV and your Wi-Fi password. If you're using a Roku stick, install it on the TV and connect it to your Wi-Fi. N-Store TV Pro runs on the Roku operating system, so you'll need a Roku account. If you already have a Roku account, you can skip this step. If you don't worry. It's free and quick to set one up. Visit the link on the screen here or scan the QR code. Step 2. Download the N-Store TV Pro app from the Roku Channel Store. Make sure you install the Pro version, not the free version. Step 3. On your computer, log into your Total Truck Center's account and open the N-Store TV Pro dashboard. This is where you can add your logo and splash screens. We recommend sizing your logo to 300 pixels wide by 180 pixels tall. You can also add splash screens to promote sales, events, customer builds, or your services. The recommended size for those is 1920 by 1080. Step 4. Open the app and sign in using your Total Truck Center's email. Quick tip: the on-screen Roku keyboard doesn't have an enter button, so after typing your email, hit the back button once on your remote to close the keyboard. Then move down and select Sign In. If you're not sure about your login, call us at 888-251-4252 or email us at support@totaltruckcenters.com. That's it. Once you're set up, your showroom becomes a selling tool. Just turn it on and let it run. If you need help at any point, just reach out and we'll help you get everything dialed in.